at it again with the white dance. Daniel. Back at it again with the white dance. 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 Daniel. Back at it again with the white dance. Back at it again.
So I get asked all the time, probably more than any question in the world, can you turn with 375s? The answer to your question is no. No, I cannot. I'm gonna show you why. I only have a leveling kit on the truck, so not being able to turn is pretty expected. With only a leveling kit, it is what it is. So without further ado, we came to the best spot possible, most iconic spot. Shout out. Also, hey, that's Brian. Brian's getting a new car this week. Expect that video. That video is coming soon. Expect that. So this is my leveled 2014 Silverado on just a leveling kit. For those of you asking if I can turn on just a leveling kit, I'm gonna show you. 375, 45, 22. It's roughly a 35.5 by 15 on a 22 by 14 with just a leveling kit. Just a leveling kit, okay? I did have to trim just a little bit right here. Ow, God. Yeah, I just hit my head. Did have to trim a little bit. You can't really trim much back here, but I hit back here pretty good. I do have some new upper control arms coming as well. So I'm gonna show you how far I can turn with these tires on a leveled 2014 Silverado. I get a full turn and a quarter. I'll show you. Actually not too bad, but if I turn anywhere past this, it's the worst sound you've ever heard in your life, I promise. And it's about the same the other way. In reverse, it's a lot worse. I can't even turn that far when I'm going in reverse. On a leveling kit though, not too bad. Just a leveling kit. Just a leveling kit. With a leveling kit. Leveling kit. Leveling kit. Not bad.
I'm moving on with you.